Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. How autonomous shipping is affecting the maritime industry. Over the last few decades, technology has drastically changed the way business is done across nearly every industry. Advances in computing, wireless communication, and automated systems have made all sorts of daily tasks more efficient and cost-effective. From medical testing and inventory management to remote monitoring and drone delivery, now maritime transport companies are looking to extend operations and reduce risk with autonomous shipping. What is autonomous shipping actually? As the auto part of autonomous suggests, autonomous shipping is the use of self-piloting vessels to perform shipping and operation. Just like self-driving cars and other such intelligent technology, autonomous ships are capable of operating alongside other ships on normal shipping routes without 24/7 active steering. Autonomous ships are not strictly unmanned vessels. Many of them will still require human hands for things like maintenance and loading and unloading. And then game-changing new develops and technology. While the concept of autonomous shipping is still extremely new, there have already been numerous designs for ships and management systems that have begun testing. The following are just some of the amazing innovations currently in progress. Falco, Rolls-Royce, and Finferries, the world's first fully autonomous gun ferry. It was created for Finferries using a variety of Rolls-Royce ships, and then intelligent technology. The ferry was able to successfully piloting itself between 2 points in a Finnish archipelago. It was then successfully piloted back via remote control. Rolls-Royce Autonomous Ships R&D Center, a facility in Finland dedicated to research and development of autonomous shipping technologies and vessels. The center has its own remote and autonomous experience bases on the water where they can freely demonstrate such technologies. Masterly, Wilhelmsen, and Kongsberg. This is the world's first entirely autonomous ships company. Two powerful companies combine their efforts to go beyond individual technologies and create the world's first complete value chain for autonomous shipping. Masterly aims to cover everything from R&D and manufacturing to logistics and ship operation. And then the next is Drake's Bibli Hydromap and Explo, an autonomous unmanned survey vessel, AUSV. It has highly specialized design that surveys everything from inshore areas to deep offshore waters. Drake's is meant to serve as a convenient extension of traditional surveying methods, as it requires fewer human resources to operate. And then the Yara Big Birkeland, Yara International ASA, and Kongsberg Maritime. As the world's first autonomous container ship model, the ship was commissioned for the purpose of transporting Yara International AS's fertilizer from the location of manufacture to the receiving ports. The ship is unmanned, battery-powered, and even self-mooring. No human crew will be needed for berthing and unberthing. And then Project Sea Shuttle Samskip and Norway. This is a joint effort between the Norwegian government and Samskip to automate container ships that can move cargo between various ports using environmentally friendly, emission-free technologies. Plans are already underway to develop two all-electrical autonomous vessels that are propelled by hydrogen fuel cells. And then risk and maritime safety, injuries, environmental concerns, and etc. While these autonomous technologies will certainly be beneficial, they are not risk-free. Naturally, fewer human crew members will mean fewer individuals at risk of injury, and experts hope that the introduction of such vessels will take more workers out of harm's way. There are still concerns that any crew that does need to be aboard may still be susceptible to the typical workplace injuries, slip and falls, drop, cargo malfunctions, and etc., and may encounter new for unforeseen dangers. Hopefully, continuing improvement over time will make autonomous vessels even safer, taking the risk of workers' injury down even further. Other potential risks could include environmental harm that occurs when autonomous ships are operating without any direct human monitoring. If there is an understage lake that allows pollutant to spill into the water, it may cause serious harm to sea life before anyone notices there is a problem. If a crew were there in person, they might be able to notice a film or discoloration on the water much earlier. Like any major development, the introduction of autonomous shipping will also mean major regulatory adjustment. After all, brand new technology creates brand new issues that supply simply will not under existing laws. Before autonomous ships truly set sail, industry regulatory bodies like the International Maritime Organization or IMO will need to review the technology to confirm that it is safe, effective, and environmentally sound. The NVGL has also released a new class guidelines for operating remote and autonomous ships that aims to help build a culture of safety, protecting the rights of injured maritime workers. Under what is known as a maritime or admiralty law, U.S. citizens working in harbors or aboard seafaring vessels are covered by a unique set of legal protection. Laws like the Jones Act under the Merchant Marine Act govern the rights of maritime workers who have been injured at work, including when employee negligence is involved. If a worker on an oil rig slips and falls due to poorly maintained workers areas, for example, the applicable maritime law will inform how the issue is to be handled. One of the most important parts of the Jones Act is that is known as maintenance and cure. This aspect of the law means that injured maritime workers are entitled to a certain amount of money from their employers to cover treatment of their injuries, as well as maintain a fair income for typically monthly expenses, while other types of compensation might depend on whether or not your employee's negligence led to your injury. Maintenance and cure includes benefits that you are entitled to regardless of fault. It's not unusual for even those who have worked in a maritime industry for decades to have questions about how these laws work. Until you yourself are injured, you may have no real reasons to understand the details of the Jones Act. For this reason, it is important to seek the help of an attorney who has a strong knowledge and experience in the field of maritime law. A seasoned Jones Act attorney will be able to answer your question and explain your rights and obligations as a U.S. citizen and seaman. Heard at sea, we will fight for your rights as a victim. No matter how maritime industry changes over time, there will always be some workplace risk involved. When you are injured in a harbor or at sea, the last thing you want is to have to worry about whether or not you are getting the full benefits you deserve. At Maintenance and Cure, we will use our 50 more years of maritime legal experience to make sure your rights are protected and your compensation is fair. Our world-renowned maritime lawyers have recovered hundreds of millions of dollars for clients with a wide variety of Jones Act claims. When you call on us for help, we will work with you to gather information and build a strong case to fight for what you are owed. We will also walk you carefully through every step of the process and take care of all the necessary paperwork so that you can reduce your stress and focus on healing. Whether you have been injured on a fully manned or an autonomous shipping vessel, you are entitled to the same benefits under the Maritime Admiralty Law. Not sure if you have a case? Contact a maritime lawyer today to talk with one of their experienced maritime accident lawyers in a free initial consultation. I think that's all, guys, the information that I can say to you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and if you need information related to maritime topics, you are in the right channel, because in this channel we talk about it a lot. And then if you guys want us to talk about or discuss about the information that you need about maritime topic, you can just drop your comment below in the comment section, and later when we have a chance we will talk about it. And also do the same thing. If you have question, guys, you can also drop your question in the comment section, and later when we have a chance we will talk about it. Don't forget to share this video to your friends, family, and your loved one. Maybe they need information about maritime topics, so when you share this video to them, it means you already help them to get through their problems. I think that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this will be useful for you guys, and I hope you can take advantage from the video that I've said to you. And don't forget to give like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye, guys. See you in another video.